All right, good morning, outdoorsmen. This morning I'm going to be talking about my new 44 Magnum that I got from Taurus. And go ahead, I'll open it up. And as you can see on the inside, comes with, tell you don't be shooting it inside in a poorly ventilated space because you could end up with serious problems with lead and hazardous chemical formulas. Has a lifetime guarantee and comes with a very nice user manual that I will certainly be reading before I go ahead and start shooting this handgun. It's not overly extravagant as far as a box, and it really doesn't need to be. It's to be shipped from the manufacturer at Taurus to firearms dealers. Comes in a bag. We'll go ahead and remove the plastic bag that it comes with. Oh, that's kind of cool. The sight is covered by a plastic piece. It comes right off. And there is the 6.5 inch barrel 44 Magnum. It is a double action, which means that the hammer comes back with the trigger, but you can also use it as a single action where you pull the hammer back and then simply drop the hammer or pull the trigger to drop the hammer on your round. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you can see it, but here on the side is the cylinder release, and it opens right up. And it actually even comes with a nice little orange plastic disc that obviously shows you that the magazine space, the cylinder, is actually unable to have the firing pin from the hammer get to it. I will use this to do some practicing, dry firing. But I'm certainly looking forward to getting this out, taking this off, and again, not sure if you can see it. It holds 2, 4, 6 rounds, and it has a cylinder release that when you push on the ramrod, I guess for lack of a better word, that when you push it, you can see that it actually will eject the shells out of the cylinder. You can put more in, whether it's a speed round or loading them individually. Close it back up and you're ready for action. So looking forward to getting this handgun out. Not exactly sure whether I'm going to put a red dot like an EOTech on it, go with the scope, or for a little while just shoot it with the open sights. But I really like the fact that it came with this open sight protection device. I will absolutely be using this when I'm traveling with my handgun and making sure that the sights are staying safe. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, I'm hoping here over the course of the next couple months to get out, do some target practice, and then when fall rolls around to carry this gun with me, and as opportunities present themselves, use it to harvest a whitetail. If I get out to Missouri and I would happen to get a coyote in close, I'd certainly use it on a coyote as well. So hopefully, as I said, hopefully you enjoyed today's unboxing. We'll be having more videos coming up. I actually have purchased another gun, and I'll be sharing that with you here soon. So if you like what I'm doing, please go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, and please share with your friends what we're doing here, sharing experiences that help you get out into the outdoors. So until next time, get outdoors.